this is what I'm talking about, the milestones, right? And this is just an example where if you want to know how to map out, what your lead magnets are going to look like. So if I was teaching somebody who has no sales to get to having sales, these are the big milestones that I would really teach them. They need to research their niche. They need to create a product. They need to set up delivery platforms. They need to know a little bit about marketing and some automation, and that'll get them some sales, right? Those are the big milestones that people need to go through to go from no sales to sales in my world. And there's also entrepreneur mindset underneath this. So then what I do is I break these things down. Well, what does research a niche mean? And I break down those underneath each milestone. And then as you see the numbers there, 1, 2, 3, those are my 3 pillars. Those are the 3 things that I teach on a regular basis. It doesn't mean I don't know anything about the other things. It doesn't mean I don't teach them. It just means that these are the things that people know me for, and these are my superpowers. So I don't really want to teach about delivery platforms, even though I could teach you how to set up Kajabi and all this other stuff. I just don't want to teach it, but I have to understand it in order to speak to my audience. Same as creating a product. I could teach you how to create a product and how to outline it and all that stuff, but it's not what I really want to do. So if you take this concept, if you took it in a way where, okay, this is a product like Right Marketing or like your Be a Video Pro. Let's look at Be a Video Pro. What are the very first things that people need to understand to do what they need to do, Scott? Like, what is it? You're teaching people to make videos fast, right? Without
Right.
overwhelm, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what is the very first thing that they need to do?
First thing you need to do is get the free lead magnet, which is the software, and take a scene that I've given them for free and make a video in under 5 minutes and be done and have it uploaded, finished. No overwhelm, no confusion, no learning curve, no nothing. Download it, take the scene, put your logo, your colors, your text, and you have a video to go out and say, holy cow, that was easy, that was simple, that was fun.
So the very first thing that they need to understand is how to use the software?
No, they don't even have to understand that. I'm going to walk them step by step through it.
Okay.
They need to understand how easy and fast it can be, because everything else they've experienced to date has been time consuming and frustrating and confusing, and having to put this with this and that with this and that. And then it takes them 7 months and they still don't have a video out there.
Right, right,
And again, we're talking animated videos.
right.
We're not talking talking head videos, because talking head videos, you turn on Zoom and you speak and you finish and you have a video to post, which the whole world is doing.
Right.
So what the first step is, it's going to be fun, easy, and fast, simple. You don't even know how to, I don't have to teach you how to use the software. You go here, I'll step by step, click this, click that, type in your name instead of my name, click here, change the colors.
Yeah, so you are doing this milestone thing. You are demonstrating. You're saying, look, first step, go download the free software. Second step is click this thing and it'll open up the scene for you. Okay, you see all those scenes? Okay, next step is you see that thing, double click it and replace that name with your name, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying is your lead magnet is doing exactly these things, except it's a live demonstration of the software, right?
Yeah.
So they need to understand that within 5 minutes, they could download the software, open it up, load a scene, and replace the scene with their own picture, their own name in like under 10 minutes. That is the whole thing. So if you can do this, you're done. You don't have to know anything else, right? Everything else is simple.